US gas, welcome back extended video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification required on App Store. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and type on Apple ID profile. Scroll down and type on media and purchase and type on view account and type on country region. Tap on country region, select your country, anyone. I have select United States. Terms and condition, read carefully and tap on agree. Tap on again agree. You as can see, select payment mode, debit card and credit card. You have select unknown and put your information. This information is fake. You have correct information. Select your state and put your zip code. Put your phone number. Tap on next. Go back your home screen and open your App Store. And download your any app. Tap on Gets. Put your passcode. You as can see, install app without any problem. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.